Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will walk you through the detailed process of replacing the motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This guide will ensure that you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the replacement efficiently and safely. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small screws during the process. It's also a good idea to have a soft cloth on hand to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum as you work. Begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner. Safety is paramount. Remove the battery by pressing the release button and sliding it out. This step is crucial to prevent any accidental activation while you're working. Next, locate the screws on the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove all the screws carefully. Keep them in a small container to avoid misplacing them. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the base. Take a moment to clean any dust inside before proceeding. Now, locate the motor housing. You will see additional screws securing it in place. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Make sure to note their positions, as you will need to replace them later. If you find it challenging to access some screws, a magnetic screwdriver can be very helpful. After removing the screws, carefully detach the motor housing. This may require some gentle wiggling. Once it's free, you will notice the motor itself. Before removing it, take a moment to inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If you don't have the tools or expertise to diagnose issues, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. To remove the motor, disconnect the wiring harness. Be cautious not to damage any wires during this process. Once disconnected, lift the motor out of the housing. If you're replacing it with a new one, ensure that the new motor matches the specifications of the original. Before installing the new motor, take this opportunity to clean any debris from the motor housing. A clean environment ensures optimal performance. Now, position the new motor in place, and reconnect the wiring harness. Make sure it clicks into place securely. With the new motor installed, reattach the motor housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. It's essential to tighten them properly to avoid any rattling during operation. If you prefer, we also provide a convenient pickup and delivery service at your home, saving you from the hassle of travel and phone calls. Once the motor housing is securely in place, replace the base cover. Align it correctly and reinsert all the screws, ensuring they are tightened adequately. You should check that everything is snug and secure before moving on. Finally, reinsert the battery. Plug in your vacuum cleaner and test it to ensure the new motor operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer quotes before repair, ensuring you know what to expect before any further work is done. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Regular maintenance and timely repairs will extend the life of your appliance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.